Hey y'all, I'm back again with another hair review, well actually a wig review, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover for me installing this wig, and I'll go ahead and add in like the unboxing, because this particular company, Victoriaswig, they have like a big promotion going on, and they have like a little extra goodies and gifts that they're putting out with their packages. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all all that, because you know I'll just be rambling and I don't want to be repetitive. Okay, so getting started, I'm showing you the box because the box is actually a really good wig preserver when you want to store your wig away. And then they also give you makeup sponges, beauty sponges, a sponge holder, 2 wig caps, a makeup bag with a rat tail comb, a spatula, and also a little baby hair brush. I don't know what them little brushes are called, but they give you one, and like a small detailed makeup brush, I guess, like if you want to put makeup on your wig line, I don't know. And then some tweezers, and then they also throw in the silk the silk, how do you say it, like the wrap that you put on your hairline when you're trying to let your hair, you gonna see it on my head later on, but it's very, very handy because using regular handkerchiefs, scarves, or whatever you want to call it, sometimes they're too big. So but you'll see that later on how that comes into play. So anyway, all the materials that they give you during this promotion are very helpful. And straight out the box, this is how the wig looks like, and I've done absolutely nothing to it. No co-washing, no anything. And also, just to show y'all, if you wanted to put a elastic band on the back, you can. And then also you could sew on your elastic band like the little bra hooks, so you know you can have extra security. So here's the baby hairs and the hairline of the wig. This wig, if you're like in a rush, like if you get it the day of you need it, you can slap it on and, you know, put some makeup on the hairline and you would be okay. But because I got time, I'm going to go ahead and pluck this hairline and, you know, try to see if I can make it just a little more convincing, because I'm not actually going to bleach this lace front. I want to see if I can actually put it on as is, because it honestly looks fine. Like it already looks ready to wear, and also it's styled, so I literally can take out the box and put it on, just cut the lace and put it on, and it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna cut, I'm sorry, I can't talk. I'm going to go ahead and pluck this hairline a little bit to thin it out, because it's a little thick for my taste. And yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and install it. But that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do nothing else to it, because I want to get a real honest reaction out of how this hair wears right out the box. Okay, so this wig honestly is a really good wig. It's not the absolute best wig that I've ever had in my whole life, but this is very close to it. Okay, so it feels light, it applied easily. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I just did a little plucking to it, and then you can see, like, I'm not real like super expert at installing wigs, but for the skill set that I'm at, the wig took to me very well. So I like that. There's no shedding at all, which is like checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people, because like a lot of the wigs, especially now, I don't know what it is about some of these companies, but they're shedding like crazy. Well, I really do appreciate this wig is not shedding at all, and that I did very minimal. I did like, I'm not gonna say minimal, I'm gonna probably say like intermediate installation to this wig. So you can see in the video, I installed it. You know, I glued it down, did the baby hair thing, and I went ahead and hot combed some of the hair so it would lay down so it wouldn't have been so poofy on the part. And but I didn't put no heat on it. It came curly like this. It came with these curls, which lets me know that when it's time for me to wash it, it's gonna have a really nice curl pattern. Hopefully it will stay, but the way it feels, it's probably gonna stay, because this feels very high quality. It feels like high grade hair. So yeah, for Brazilian hair, it feels really nice. It hasn't tangled on me once. Like I said, it's not shedding. It feels super healthy. When I took out the pack, it had luster to it, and I'm pretty sure you can tell. Like, I could have put a little bump, because when I put the hot comb through it, I kind of took out some of the curl right here, but you can still see the curl pattern here. But anyway, I think you can kind of tell the quality, and I really do like the lace. They did a really good job on the lace. It doesn't go all the way back, but it goes back far enough for me to do like a couple of really cute styles with this hair. Okay, so yeah, I highly recommend. Oh yeah, let me show you the back. And I will be sure to list all the information down in the description box below. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope this was helpful and helping you decide on your next wig purchase. And till next time, I'll see y'all guys later. Bye.